Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing great. Well, this video is an informative video for our CA final financial reporting as well as advanced auditing classes 2020. These lectures have been recently recorded and I'll be telling you the basic features about them. But before getting there, let me briefly introduce myself. Well, I am CA Neha Lathi Mittal. I have come third and fifth all over India in my CA P2 and CA final. After qualifying my CA, I've also completed my DISA, my CISA. I've cleared all the three levels of CFA US exams. Also, I have just very recently qualified my DIP IFRS UK in December 19. As far as my teaching expertise is concerned, I have been teaching for last 13 years and I've guided around 25,000 odd students, be it my live students or my Pendrive students. I firmly believe in this success mantra that there is no substitute for hard work and there is no shortcut to success. So I always focus on conceptual clarity and I see to it that my students develop the habit of thinking, and I don't believe in spoon feeding the solution to them. My current students would vouch for this point. Going ahead now, as far as our video lectures are concerned, these video lectures can be seen on desktop, laptop, tablet, mobiles. Mobiles is not something I really recommend, but sometimes in emergency or when you want to revise something, you can even watch them there. Apart from that, they are available in pen drives or you can, get it on cloud also. So you can see in the comforts of your home, you can learn at your own time, your own pace. Of course, you should be quite disciplined when you see video lectures because there it is completely on you. The onus is on you. So if you do it properly, you will definitely get the best benefits out of it. You can, save that time of traveling and all, and you can, learn at home better. Of course, you know all these things, so I don't need to tell you about this. The pen drives can be used later on once your lectures are done. You can see the lectures 2 times, okay, so that is what we give 2 views. In fact, if you want 3 views also, there is a way that we can provide that as well for you. We use user-friendly technology, and most important thing is your doubt solving, which I'm very particular about. We solve all your doubts whether through mail, through WhatsApp, or you can just simply call. If you're staying in Pune, you can come to our office and get your doubts solved, because this is something really important when it comes to studying by yourself. And lastly, whatever amendments would happen or whatever RTP related new things will be coming up, we will be putting them on YouTube. So this is about our video lectures. Going further now, I'll tell you about the financial reporting classes. So the first thing that we have is we have 4 books. Okay, so 4 colored books now. These colored books cover like all types of sums, almost 1700 practical problems we have covered, and these cover all your institute material questions. Definitely my study material is the base. Apart from that, some reference books, some textbooks questions have been covered, RTP, mock test papers, your past exam papers, you name it, everything has been covered. And yes, your DIP IFRS ACCA questions also we have covered wherever appropriate. So that gives me like a really vast coverage of sums. So trust me, you have to go nowhere beyond this. Just do this properly and you are assured of minimum 80 plus marks here. We have also test papers that we'll be sending by mail, and you'll have 10 papers with solutions going to be provided to you. These FR classes which we have recorded are applicable till November 22. Of course, there could be small amendments which would happen in between, which we'll be putting on YouTube. So these are the basic features of my FR classes. As you will see now, I'll tell you about my books. Book 1 is my intro book, which is having introduction, schedule 3, your framework, introduction to Ind AS. It has all the basic accounting standards, Ind AS, and lastly, it has revenue. So this has almost around 400 practical problems or sums, as we can see, which has got 60 hours covered. Okay. Secondly, I have got is my book 2, which is Ind AS on assets. Now, Ind AS on assets is slightly big book because it has like almost 435 odd problems, and those have been covered here. Third book which I have is my book, which is like, according to me, the most important book, because this covers your 4 big chapters: share-based payments, your CFS, your business combinations, and financial instruments. This has like 105 hours dedicated for only book 3 and almost 420 odd problems which are there. Okay. And last and the final book is all your other Ind AS. You have got Ind AS on liabilities here and your small chapters which are there. This has also got around 420 odd problems, 60 hours covered. So you can see I've covered the entire course in around 300 hours, and we have like almost 1700 problems which have been solved. So it's going to be a vast coverage, as I already told you, and you will get all these simple features. We have 104 lectures of around 3 hours each. 12 months is your validity, so once you activate it, it will be 12 months. In these 12 months you can see it 2 times the entire lectures, and this recording is just completed June 20, and it's 100% English, so this would be useful for all the students all over India, and this would be valid till November 22, as I already told you. So this is about my FR, and 100% colored notes and all. You'll enjoy studying, trust me. These notes have been made with like a lot of efforts, and all of it for only you. Please make the best of it. Secondly, we also have our auditing related lectures, which have been again completed in 2020. This auditing is also for my old syllabus, okay? There, the same books will be there, only some 3 chapters extra I have to add, that's it. Apart from that, this has got 4 colored books. I have already put a separate video for all the features of our auditing books on YouTube. You can go to that also. In fact, you can even buy the books. If you don't want the lectures, you only want the books, you can even buy the books. Okay, so around 800 problems are covered. Even in auditing, we have got again coverage of questions from all your ICM material, RTP, past exam questions, etc. Everything is covered. Even MCQs, integrated MCQs are covered in my book number 4. Around 1600 MCQs we have, so it's again a lot of coverage. Like I said, you don't need to go anywhere else. Just do these 4 plus 4 books well, and you're done for your 2 subjects. Okay, so that's how it is. The validity of these lectures, or these 2020 lectures, will be till November 21 exams. So that's how it is. Again, these lectures, I've given you the breakup of how the 3 books I have covered, how many hours have been put in, how many problems we have, etc. And as you can see, we have 40 lectures of 3 hours each. 9 months is my validity period, and 2 times you can see the lectures. Around February 20, we have completed this recording, and it's valid till November 21. So that's about my auditing. Well, you can see our demo lectures on YouTube. Also, if there's any other query relating to the product or relating to the lectures, you can contact us. You can WhatsApp us on these numbers. If you're staying in Pune, you're most welcome to our office. This is the office address, and there's our website address. So anything you want, all other details, you will get it online. So that's all then. Happy learning and keep smiling.